Study Section 5. Algebraic Treatment of Mean and Variance. Introduction. It is advisable to adjust the values of the mean and variance to check for mistakes. It may also be desired to combine these statistics without recourse to the individual observation of the variable. The various methods of doing this will be discussed in this study section. Learning outcomes for study section 5. When you have studied this session, you should be able to calculate the pooled mean of two or more variables, adjust the values of mean, variances, and standard deviation for mistakes. Pooled mean and variance. You have learned how to compute the mean and variance from univariate data. Sometimes we may have information about the mean and variance of two or more variates, and you desire to find the combined mean and variance. This can be achieved without using the individual values of the variables. Given two sets of data consisting of n1 and n2 items and x1 bar and x2 bar and their variance s1 squared and s2 squared respectively with the same mean, then the combined mean is defined by and the combined variance is, suppose we have for I is equal to 1, 2, 3 to ki. Ni is equal to number of observation in variable I. X bar mean of variable I. Si squared variance of variable I. Then the pooled combined variance is given by example 5.1. The mean and standard deviation of two variables of 100 and 150 items are 50, 5, 40, and 6 respectively. Find the standard deviation of all the 250 items taken together. Solution. X bar 1, 2 is equal to n1 x bar 1 plus n2 x bar 2 over n1 plus n2 is equal to 44. Standard deviation is equal to 7.46. Example 5.2. A survey was conducted at 3 locations in a community to study a single variable. At each location, the sample size Ni, the mean x bar I, and standard deviation rho I were given the following table. Obtain the combined mean and standard deviation for the variable in all the 3 locations. Solution. Hence is equal to 34.7 or 35. The pooled combined variance is equal to 36.74. Adjusting values of mean and standard deviations for mistakes. Sometimes mistakes occur in the computation of mean and variance of a set of data when a correct value in the original data is replaced by an incorrect one. Instead of going through the entire process to correct such mistakes, some simple algebraic adjustment can be made as shown in the following examples. Example 5.3. The mean and standard deviation of a set of 100 observations were worked out as 40 and 5 respectively by a student who by mistake took the value 50 in place of 40 for one observation. Recalculate the correct mean and standard deviation. Solution. N is equal to 100, mean is equal to 40, standard deviation is equal to 25. X bar is equal to summation x over n. 40 is equal to summation x over 100. Incorrect, summation s is equal to 4000. Correct, summation x is equal to 4000 minus 50 plus 40 is equal to 3990. Correct mean, x bar is equal to 39.90. Standard deviation is equal to 161,600. Correct standard deviation is equal to 4.89. This is the end of study section 5. Thanks for listening.